Health benefits of consuming avocado pit. Avocado is a superfood that has gained a lot of worldwide attention in recent years. Every component of this fruit, even the leaves, is good for human health and boasts a long list of health advantages. This superfood, also known by its scientific name as Persea americana Miller, is thought to have its roots in south-central Mexico. It serves as the primary component of a number of sauces, dips, baby meals, and smoothies. With its incredible health advantages and buttery, creamy flavor, this fruit with a green hue has taken the globe by storm and is now a staple ingredient in practically every recipe. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits and the side effects of consuming avocado pit. Let's get started. Health benefits. Number 1, contains a lot of antioxidants. A 2003 study by the National University of Singapore examined the antioxidant levels in the seeds of tropical fruits, including avocados and mangoes. It was discovered that the fruit seeds have 70% more antioxidant value than the fruit itself, which, when consumed, can aid the body fight oxidative stress at the cellular level. Number 2, aids in cancer prevention. Numerous types of cancer have been the subject of decades' worth of research. But one new finding has drawn attention: a connection between avocado seeds and the prevention of acute myeloid leukemia, AML. AML begins in the bone marrow and develops into leukemia once it has entered the bloodstream. Avocado B was shown to not only kill AML cancer cells, but also to have no harmful effects on normal blood cells. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as that really helps the growth of our channel. Number 3, remedies digestive conditions. For hundreds of years, South Americans have known about the digestive advantages of avocado seeds and have used them to cure ulcers, constipation, and diarrhea. Avocado seeds include soluble fiber and potent anti-inflammatory chemicals, which reduce flatulence and bloating and help the body get rid of toxins and waste that might lead to problems. Number 4, excellent potassium source. According to the California Avocado Society, avocado seeds are a fantastic source of potassium, which helps to balance fluid levels in the body. In addition to easing muscle cramps, potassium aids in the body's removal of extra toxins and moisture. While there are a number of research studies on avocado seed consumption, research is still limited and lacking in regards to potential side effects. Therefore, you should take some extra precaution if you're thinking about trying it out, and also consult with your healthcare provider. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.